Right now, let me show you how you can delete multiple photos on the iPhone. So if it's your first time on a Foxtecc, consider subscribing as there are so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Okay, so we get inside our gallery or the Photos app, and in order to select multiple images, make sure that you are in this mode because you might be inside of the, collections and so on, but just get to the library as such. And you can see I have now 3 images in a row, so I can zoom it out slightly so I can fit 5 images, and now it's easier to select them. So we need to click on the select button in the top right as such, and now we can just start clicking on the images we want to delete. So let's say I'm going to click this one, the other one, or this, and so on, right? I can decide and select as many as I want. I have the number below, so I have 6 items currently selected, and then there is the trash in the bottom right. So I can always click on trash and move them there. I can also select them much quicker using a gesture like this, right? So as you can see, the entire row now got selected with a simple swipe like this. And you can see I can click on trash, delete them. 11 items will be put in the recently deleted folder. Click on the delete, and they are now gone. Keep in mind, however, that of course they are still there for 30 days in a folder, which is called recently deleted. And you can get there by switching from library to collections, and at the bottom, you can see I already have it in here. So here it is, the recently deleted, but it should also be part of the utilities. So recently deleted, it's even locked. So I need to scan my face to get inside. And I have so many things which I can now fully get rid of or, delete after the time is up. So that's how it works. Let me know if you have some additional questions specifically about this. You can leave a comment, and I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in the future uploads.